School supplies. Ilan ba, Daddy?
10.
Lain na ako.
May blue.
This is what I buy. 10.
Tingnan mo, ayaw mo nito, bay tayo mo. Bay tayo mo ng ganito, mura to. Hindi maganda, violet.
Yung
Blue. Ano gusto mo? Ayun niya, ganda ba yan? Mahalin pa ito. Plastic, short, brown envelope. Short brown envelope. Ayan. Ayan, maganda may plastic.
sabi mo short. So ngayon ako naman ang bibili ng aking school supplies. Gusto first ay 8 notebooks. Let's find notebooks. I'm buying this. I don't remember what it's called.
Grade 4 pads. Basket care.
Oh, ito. Napo ang notebook. So next ay black ball pen, red ball pen, pencil, and Mongol. Ilang Mongol?
3.
3 Mongol pencils. Intermediate pads. What's next? We got our bond paper, short and long paper. Got our 20 pieces colored paper. What's next? Wait.
1
One
short brown envelope.
short.
Ayun yung plastic na rin.
Green talaga siya. Done!
So,
What's
ayan.
next? Scissors.
Ano?
Okay, Manila paper, meron ka na.
I'm gonna buy 2 correction tapes.
Oh! Red tsaka black. Okay ka na dyan. Ayan na lang.
Then, we'll buy color pencil. But pencil case.
Pampot, I have something for you. Ito na yan. Ito na yung pampot. Wala nang nangape.
Daddy.
Awang po ka po. Ba? Hindi mo 38 eh. Mas mahal yun. Sino yun ang hape? Madal-dalit. Madal-dalit.